I don't know if you get sound on this, so I'll try it. So in there's the burner and the pilot, and the machine's hexagonal. So that's the machine. On top is the flue. No, it's okay, that's okay. There's the burner. So that's the side view. And the front view. Switch panels basic. Turn the motor switch on. Turn the burner on. And then high-low for the burner. It lights itself, don't need to light it. On the burner, I can't light it for you because at the moment the mesh screen is off. So you're looking at the burner tiles. But usually there's mesh screen on there.